Welcome back, Scale Modelers, to SMKR. Up next is the Star Wars Shoretrooper by Bandai. This is a 1/12 scale plastic model kit. Welcome back. Let's look at the box art for this Shoretrooper kit. Gives us some weapons options, different poses you can put on the figure, different ways of painting. Very glossy again box. And this one retailed for 2,200 yen. Open it up. First off, you see the multicolored plastic decals. Two bags of parts. The instructions. Here are the instructions, typical Bandai Star Wars kits. Very nice color. Accordion style fold out. Look at the back here. The colors. Water slide decals are included along with the stickers. Here are the stickers. They do include a base. Here's a tree with all the vinyl poly pieces. Here's Spruce C, molded in a dark chocolate brown. Let's get a closer look. Here are the decals. These are the water slide type. Closer look. Here's the cape. Kind of felty. Here's Sprue Tree B in a light tan colored plastic. One part did come off the tree. Get a closer look. Here's Sprue A, which contains black plastic, red plastic, and the light tan colored plastic. Let's get a closer look. And there's also some dark clear parts for the lens for his shield. on his helmet. Looks like another fun kit to put together. And there you have it. This was the 1/12 scale Star Wars Rogue One Shoretrooper kit by Bandai. Please subscribe. Happy modeling, everybody. All kit reviews have been purchased by me, unless otherwise noted. I do this for the benefit of all scale modelers. Thank you for your support.